Hi, this is Joe Biondo, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the tone of an image in Photoshop. Let's get started. Okay, so let's open up this image for this exercise. So we'll go open, and then we're going to open up the flowers. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to adjust the levels to correct the tonal range and color balance of an image by adjusting the intensity levels of the image with shadows, midtones, and highlights. And so the way we do this is when you're in the background layer, we're going to go to this circle icon here on the layers panel, this one right here, and we'll click on this and we'll click on levels. Okay, so you see this is called a histogram, and it looks a little confusing, but um, what we're seeing here is kind of the representation of the picture in a graph form, the one that you're seeing here. So we could do a couple things here. Photoshop has some kind of presets, right? So you can decide what you want to do with your photo. So if you want to make it the picture darker, if you want to do things with the contrast, or if you want to lighten shadows, make the midtones brighter. So for example, if you click something like increase contrast 3, oh, that made everything brighter. But if you look down here in the histogram, these sliders then moved closer, right? So the whites moved a little bit closer, and the black slider moved a little bit closer. So you can use kind of the presets and look at that is exactly what Photoshop has. The other thing is you can play around with these sliders, which this is the black slider, and you can kind of move this around. You can see you move it all the way over, that changes the effect. You know, move it, that flushes everything out, right? And then the midtone is kind of with the midtone of the image here. But you play around with these sliders, and really the way you do it here, and the image may not be as pronounced, whatever you're using, as this one, with the pixels and the kind of the gap before kind of the mountain starts. But the idea is you want to try to move the black slider as close to where the mountain starts, and the white slider is close to where the mountain starts, or somewhere in that range, depending on what you're looking as far as the image, if you're going to do it manually. But most of you probably will just use one of the presets, and that'll change your image. So you want to see the difference between what the original background image is and then what adjustment levels you just put on. Is you can just turn on and off the eyeball. So that's the original image. You put the adjustment level on there, and that just brightened everything up. So that's just a quick way to just kind of adjust the shadows, midtones, and highlights of your image. So I'll talk to you in the next lesson.